Why do I need to update WordPress? When you think about updating your website, you probably think about things like correcting old information or changing the design. The things that you can see. But when was the last time that you updated the back end of your website? The stuff you can't see. If you have a WordPress website, neglecting updates could put your site at major risk. To find out why, keep watching. Hi, I'm Tom Malesic, founder and president of EZMarketing, and you're watching Ask Easy. This is where small business owners go to get real answers to their marketing questions. If you have a WordPress website, you need to be doing regular security updates, and here's why. The WordPress platform is built around the concept of plugins. Your site relies on plugins for things like forms, galleries, e-commerce, and a whole lot more. Most websites have at least a dozen plugins, and each one of those plugins does regular releases and updates. Sometimes these updates fix bugs and add features, but most often they're security updates because hackers have found a way to exploit the plugin. If you don't keep your plugins up to date, your website is more likely to get hacked. It's a lot like the regular updates for Windows and Office products. Because everyone uses Microsoft, hackers love to target them. If you're not installing Windows updates, you're vulnerable to getting hacked. Okay, so you need to be updating WordPress, but especially if you have tons of plugins, how do you keep track of them all and make sure they're up to date? We offer a WordPress Security Updates service that handles everything for you. Every day, we'll scan and do updates for your WordPress installation and all the plugins. We'll handle all the configuration and make sure that none of the updates interfere with each other. Plus, we do extra backups, so if something does happen, it's easy to restore your site. And in the event that your site does get hacked, we'll fix it for free. We even provide a report each month that summarizes all the updates and backups so that you can be confident that your WordPress site is secure and up to date. Don't leave your WordPress site vulnerable. Keep your website running smoothly and securely with regular WordPress security updates. Contact us to get started. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.